Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Siti Nuradiah. You can call me Siti. NIM 195105152, class 83 2019, Mathematics Education IKIP Siliwangi. I will present my English project assessment, which is to analyze of a research article. Let's go. Results, discussion, knowledge from and references. The research article I analyze is uncovered the effectiveness of guided discovery learning to teach integral calculus for the mathematics students of mathematics education in the Dharma University. This article is cited on October 7, 2016 on the site November 8, 2016. Articles of article is descriptive because which sets the focus of the study. The author of the article, Puan Mariana, Tutasari, and Tristiana Wijayanti. The most contributing authors are listed at the beginning and the less contributing at the end. So, Mariana contributed the most in this research. Then addresses. The main addresses. The main addresses is under the names of the authors indicate where the work was performed. The main addresses in this article is in Department of Mathematics Education Widya Dharma University, Klaten, Indonesia. Then the corresponding addresses. The corresponding addresses is usually listed as a footnote to the list of authors. And in this research article, the corresponding addresses is email address of the authors. And then we start. Content, the abstract is written as a newspaper. Contains the following information in this order. 1. Introduction. The objectives of this research are 1. To develop quadratic discovery in integral calculus subjects. 2. To identify the effectiveness of quadratic discovery learning in improving the students' understanding towards integral calculus subject. And 2. Methods. This research was quasi-experimental with the students of the first semester in mathematics education Widya Dharma University. As a sample, cluster random sampling was conducted to determine control group the Gestalt using a conventional model and experimental group that was out using quadratic discovery learning model. The data of the test was analyzed using t-test. The result was eligible was rejected for the level of significant 5%. The result of questionnaire with more than 75% questionnaire items scored 67.65% positive response. It means that discovery learning can increase students' interest in joining integral calculus class. 5. Discussion. The result of this data analysis found out that why discovery learning was more effective and more conventional. It was supported by the result questionnaire. 5. Conclusion. This, the result of this data analysis found out that guided discovery learning was more effective than conventional model, and guided discovery learning can increase students' interest in learning integral calculus concepts. Abstract points. Present and present tense. The abstract should be written in the past tense for the author's work and present tense for general knowledge and other research works. Example past tense in this research article is Mr. Random sampling was conducted to determine control group that was found using conventional model and experimental group that was found using guided discovery learning model. Present tense, the objectives of this research are to develop guided discovery learning in integral calculus subject to identify the effectiveness of guided discovery learning in improving the students' understanding toward integral calculus subject. Introduction. In this research article is integral is one of compulsory subject that must be learned in every semester at Widya Dharma University in Thailand. The material is included in integral calculus subject. The understanding of integral calculus concept is highly needed for other subjects. In the next semester, even integral calculus subject is a prerequisite subject to join some other subjects such as advanced calculus, mathematical statistics, ordinary differential equation, and partial differential equation. Therefore, it is very important to master this subject, especially for future mathematics teachers that are learning in mathematics education. Most of mathematics students at Widya Dharma University semester 1 in mathematics education program in the academic year of 2013 or 2014 come from social program and vocational school. They help us understanding of integral concept since the material was not deeply studied in the senior high school. Only some of them come from natural science program. The data are supported with the student results based in calculus 2 subject in the academic year of 2013 or 2014 had shows 65.789% of the students haven't had real understanding on calculus material. Based on the result of interview, the identified problems are 1. Students' paradigma. The students think that integral calculus is difficult subject and it is not easy to learn since they have to memorize many equations that they don't know how it can be written or the meaning beyond the equation. 2. The students find difficult on how to accomplish the exercise. 3. The student have less strategy in accomplishing the task. 4. Learning process focuses on teacher. The students tend to be passive. Therefore, a learning model that can enhance students' motivation and activeness in learning integral subject is highly needed. Active learning is a solution for attractive and active student learning activity. There are many learning methods under active learning that can be implemented to solve the problems. One of them is guided discovery learning. Guided discovery learning independently lets the student do experiments and draw conclusion, opinion, intuition. Teacher role is facilitator, in which he will help the student in learning process when he is needed. In his learning process, guided discovery learning focuses on instruction that when teacher, student, and learning. Introduction tense. Example or past tense for introduction is integral is one of compulsory subject that must be learned in every semester at Widyadharma University in Klaten. Example 2. The material is included in integral calculus subject, including present tense because there to be is. Nih, ada isnya. And then methods. The research was conducted at Mathematics Education Teacher Training and Education Faculty, Widyadharma University, Klaten. The research was quasi-experimental research because only some of relevant variables that were controlled or manipulated. The sample was the student of mathematics education in every semester who took integral calculus subject with the use of certain integral in accomplishing a problem as the material. Cluster random sampling was implemented to find out a representative sample of the population. The techniques of collecting data were documentation, questionnaire, and test. Methods tense. Methods tense, only past tense. Example, past tense from methods is the research was conducted at Mathematics Education Teacher Training and Education Faculty, Widyadharma University, Klaten. The research was quasi-experimental research, only some of relevant variables that were controlled or manipulated. And then results. This research developed guided discovery learning model. The implementation of this model covers in lesson plan, learning material by the research, pre-test instrument, post-test instruments, and questionnaire. The data of post-test was analyzed using p-test. The result was rejected for the level of significant 5%. The result of this data analysis found out that guided discovery learning was more effective than conventional model. The result of questionnaire that was given to 35 students was the item of the questionnaire at last got 52.9% positive response. More than 75% questionnaire items got 67.65% positive response. It means guided discovery learning can increase students' interest in joining integral calculus class. Results tense, past tense, and present tense. Outdoors results should be in past tense and general statement in present tense. Example from past tense is it was measured drug pretest that was analyzed using t-test. After that, they got treatment. Example present tense. So, head node is assertive. It means the student in experimental and control group have similar capability. Discussions. Based on the result of data analysis, the conclusion was appropriate with the writer's hypothesis. It is guided discovery learning model is more effective than conventional model to improve students' understanding toward integral. Guided discovery learning model was proven more effective because in its learning process, students were involved in finding the concept. Therefore, the students got unforgettable and meaningful learning experience that helped them to understand the material in which there were many equations to understand and remember. Therefore, guided discovery learning was more recommended. The results support the research finding that states guided discovery learning is effective to improve students' concept of integral calculus subject. Discussion tense, past tense and present tense. Current knowledge is stated in present tense and the author's work is stated in past tense. Example past tense. Based on the result of data analysis, the conclusion was appropriate with the writer's hypothesis. Example present tense. It is guided discovery learning model. It is more effective than conventional model to improve students' understanding toward integral. And then conclusion. Well, learning process in experimental group was in line with lesson plan. The result of validation is regarded as a very valid category. 2. The student achievement on integral calculus subject who are taught using guided discovery learning is better than those who are taught using conventional model. Moreover, the suggestions that can be drawn are 1. Mathematics teacher is suggested to implement guided discovery learning to teach integral for the student. 2. Research is suggested to apply other active learning model that is able to develop students' ability and motivate them in learning mathematics. Conclusion tense. Present tense. Example, present tense. The results of validation is regarded as a very valid category. It shows that the average score of the students coming from experimental group was better than those coming from control group. And then acknowledgement. Acknowledgement, the researcher expresses his deep gratitude to Widyadharma University that has given permission and support to conduct this research. And thank you. Besides, thank you very much for DICTE, the Ministry of Higher Education, that has given financial support so the research can be well accomplished. And last, references. A complete reference includes all of the author's names, the title of the article, the journal name, the volume number, page numbers, and the year of publication. This is an example of the references. Thank you very much for your attention. So many presentations from me. Sorry if there are many mistakes in pronunciation. Okay, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye, see you next time.